because he was like all day long he was cleaning the truck or the van, and he bought some stuff called Super Clean by Castrol, and he put some on the rim when it wasn't supposed to be used for aluminum, and he ruined the polishing on the rims. He ruined his rims on the van. I would think I should consider keeping this camera. It can be a valuable tool for me. 200,000 miles. And I just filled up my tank right now. I put Mobil super unleaded gasoline. That's the best they got of the Mobil. And I spent 20 bucks, 19 something. Okay. See, the other day I ran over a dog, and I kind of ruined the bumper a little bit. Kind of messed up the fender area, but it doesn't show that much, but I did mess it up a little bit.
You got to stop!
Someday this car will look like brand new. I'll have everything I've always wanted on this car, including tinted windows. Someday I'll have the tinted windows. I tinted the windows today. Using the school money, using the school payment money, I tinted the windows, and it looks pretty good. I guess my daddy can use that car until I get my license back, because I can't drive it anymore because the policeman knows me now. And if he sees me again, and if the policeman sees me again driving that car, he's gonna get me again. Well, just yesterday I had my car stolen. Someone stole it off the parking lot when I was working out at the Family Fitness, on which I won membership for. Well, I don't know what kind of story I'm gonna have if or when they find my car, but it's a possibility that I might be able to buy a Mazda from a guy that I know who has one that looks just like mine's, my old Mazda. I would plan on buying that one if he still has it. If he still has it in a month from now.
Jefferson, I gotta get them to get that sign down.
How come? He's jealous.
I am not jealous. I just respect other men's rights not to turn a stone in front of my store, that's all. Now, Jefferson, will you stop leering at my wife?
Sorry.
Now, listen, you're good at talking people into things. I mean, you talk Marcy into believing you married her for her looks.
Yeah, I'm gonna be working on this car and I'm gonna make it look like the other one. Or, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If the policeman stops me, he's gonna think that the car is stolen. Because I don't have the VIN numbers on. This thing is a mess. I gotta clean it up.